Model, 2013 Volkswagen Transporter T30 140PS TDI double cab long wheelbase, 2.0 spares OR repairs automatic star-struck trader special open mouth smile. Body, black, crew cab. Mileage, 99,983. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 180 PS. Transmission, automatic, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, air con, electric windows, sat-nav, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternative